Okie dokie, welcome to Dave's Coon Show, and for you today, we have something called Rumble, or Rumbledethumps, or Rumbledethumps, or Rumplethumbs, or Rumplethumps, or Rufflethumbs, or I don't know, it's some dish from Scotland that involves potatoes and cabbage. So anyway, the first thing I want to do is I take 4 russet potatoes, skin them, and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Then place those pieces in water and boil them until they are mashable. And then we're gonna chop up and fry up 6 strips of bacon. All right, bacon's cooked. I've deglazed the pan with some white wine. I might have added a little too much white wine, but that's all right. Everything's great with white wine. And then we add 1 onion that I diced up. I took a smallish type onion, a smallish type bulk onion, because typically the ones sold in bags are bigger. And I just kind of diced it up. And then we'll let this cook and reduce until at least the onions are translucent, and then we'll be ready for the next step. All right. Okay, and this is when I really started to hate my damn camera, because again, I thought it was on and it wasn't, so I lost the footage of adding the Napa cabbage. Now, the original recipe calls for Savoy cabbage. I looked high, I looked low, I looked everywhere in between, and I even looked in Tess Holliday's butt crack. I couldn't find Savoy cabbage. So, from Google, I have heard that Napa cabbage is a decent substitute. So basically what you want to do, grab a head of Napa cabbage, chop all the leafy bits into pieces, and throw them into the pan that has the white wine and onion deglaze. And then you're going to want to cook this for a while. I think it's like 20, 30 minutes. It's going to be a while. Over a nice low heat. All right, as you can see here, I'm mashing the shit out of the potatoes with with one of the things you use in those handheld mixers, because I don't actually want them like super creamy and super smooth. I kind of prefer them a little rough in this dish. And now we want to add all that cabbage to our potato mixture. And then grab a little snowman thing and mix this all together. And then you want to add the bacon that we cooked and chopped up, and make sure that's all well incorporated as well. All right. Okay, now I got my little bacon vessel lined up here. Actually, I inherited this from my grandmother on my father's side. Anyway, I'm gonna put this shit right in here. And then we're gonna level it off. And then we're gonna top it with freshly shredded white cheddar cheese. And then we're gonna put it into a 395 Fahrenheit oven. If you're Celsius, it's 200 degrees. Trust me, I wish my oven converted. I swear to Christ, I thought it did. But 395, and I let mine go way longer than the recipe recommended because I was looking for that golden crust. I never got it. I don't know if she put that fucker under a broiler or what. But I let mine go for about 20 minutes. All right, and that's what we're looking at. So our cheese is nice and melty. We'll give this just a minute to rest, and then we should be ready to serve. All right, and then you just want to put this on a plate. And that's it. So that is Rumbledethumps Rumbledethumps, Rumblethumps. Oh, no, goddamn Highlander! Good drunken Scottish meal, lad! Anyway, it's done.